Hi everyone, welcome to another creative cooking video. Today I'm gonna share with you easy homemade banana ice cream that requires no sugar, no dairy, and no use of ice cream machine. Isn't that amazing? I think it is. So I'm gonna be making for myself. So I'm gonna use 1.5 freezed ripe banana, and for flavor I add organic cacao powder. This one I got it from Trader Joe's. There's no sponsorship for this, but the flavor is amazing. And you can just top it off with any toppings if you want. I use nuts like walnuts, pistachio, almonds. You can just top it off with whatever you want. So I freeze the fully ripe banana for about 4 hours. And I took it out just about 20 minutes ago, and it looks like this. And now let's mix them together. I used to throw out all the ripe bananas because I thought they're not healthy to eat. But I learned that the more riper the banana gets, it absorbs a lot of sugar and has high antioxidants. Now just add about 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. You can add whatever amount you prefer. I only experimented this with banana, but if you guys find some another fruit to try, please let me know. You don't want to wait that much longer because it's going to turn into a thin slurry, but this looks good. Time to eat. Thank you for watching. If you do like the content of this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more upcoming videos. Happy eating! Brain freeze.